Tara guys, gawa tayo ng choco milk with mallows. Yan ang mga ingredients niya. May mallows, pretzels, powdered milk, tube ice, meron tayong condensed milk, chocolate syrup, tsaka yung chocolate milk natin gagawin. Haluin lang natin yung ating chocolate syrup. Nilalagay lang natin sa baso. Then, ang ating powdered milk. Next naman ang ating tube ice. Nilagay ko na nga rin pala yung condensed milk. And then, yung ating chocolate milk. Yan, ready na ang ating choco milk with mallows. Try nyo rin